I had severe foot problems here recently, and I went to some foot doctors, and unfortunately they told me I needed orthotics, which is all good, but I was fortunate enough to have a girlfriend whose brother does some footwork, Aloha Chiropractic in California, and he was in Florida, and he adjusted my feet, explained to me how the foot works. I was in severe pain that Friday. I've never had so much pain in my feet because of my arches. He did some adjustments, and to this day right now my feet feel great, and I highly recommend Dr. Craig.
That was